Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video lecture, we will be discussing about cascading style sheet background color property. As students, in previous lecture, we have discussed various properties that is provided by cascading style sheets related to background. First in basic property is color property, and you should know that if you want to use different color as background, you can use RGB colors, you can use basic color codes, and also you can use hexadecimal codes, right? We have discussed different color property in previous lectures. Similarly, taking an example, as you can see here in the screen, here I have one example where I used background color as brown and text color is white. Okay, so this is, if you want to make such page with the help of cascading style sheet, you can use background color property. So this is our lecture number 19, that is very important. So let's move to the practical part directly. Okay, so for this you should start your code directly with HTML, then head, title as always. So here you can write as background color, then close this title part and close your head part as we generally do in basic HTML section. Okay, so start your body section and close this body section. I hope you all remember this basic step. Okay, this is the basic structure of HTML. Now, as you all know, we are here talking about cascading style sheets, and till this video we always use what? Internal cascading style sheets. Okay, and for internal cascading style sheets, always remember to start your style tag before closing the head and close this style tag. Okay, this is the basic structure. Now let's write any statement under, let's say I'm writing this in H1. This is the first example of background color. Okay, so this is how you can write this H1. So H1 close. Okay, now let's take one more example with H2. This is my heading 2. You can write any statement, you can take any statement here. Okay, save this program as background.html and save this. Right now, move to the paragraph, move to the folder. Here we have background.html. Just open this page and you can see here we have two statements. One is in H1 heading and another in H2. Okay, now let's give it properties by using CSS. Okay, so here H1 color, let's say color is red. We have used this in previous lectures, right? Like this. Now I want to give background color to this particular statement, and for this what you can do is background color colon, let's say gray. You can write any color, whatever you want you can write here. Okay, so you can see the difference now. If you want, you can also increase the font size. Font size, let's say 60 pixels and then semicolon. Save and refresh. Okay, let me just change its color. If you want, you can change its color after some time. Save and refresh. Okay, this is how you can use background color by using simple color names like gray and blue. Now let's take one more example of H2 where I will tell you how to use hexadecimal codes. Okay, we have discussed all these things in previous lectures, and students, if you forgot to watch color properties, that how you can use different RGB colors, how to use different RGBA colors, then check the description box. I have already added the playlist link there. Okay, so for this, let's say I'm writing color #E0 A 22 and A. You can write any color code. Okay, I don't know what color is this. I'm just writing random statements. So you can see the color is like a yellow or orange something. Okay, if I change it to, let's say, E, save and refresh, so it automatically change the color of this particular statement. Okay, let me increase its font size so that it will be clearly visible to all of you. So again, I'm using 60 pixels. If you want to write pixels like I have used here px, you can write, otherwise you can skip this px. Now this is how you can use the hexadecimal codes. As our today's topic is background color, so for this, write background color colon, and again if I want to use hexadecimal code, so always remember to start the color code with hash. Okay, so for hash, let me just add random numbers again, and always remember students, after hash you should write what? You should write 6 characters. If you write 5 characters, that will not work properly. So this is somehow related to purple color. If I change this to 2, so you can see this is in now blue color. I don't know, I don't remember the color codes exactly. Okay, I'm just writing random colors, random codes. You can also try any color code and you will get a unique color combination with these hexadecimal codes. Okay, so this is how students you can use background color properties. So along with these background color properties, if you want to use another statement, like if I'm writing here h1 again, this is the best example of CSS background. Okay, and close this h1, save and refresh. This is in same this statement already captures the same properties, color and background. Why? Because we have used h1 here, and in under the style tag we have given h1 some different properties. Now if I want, students, if you want this h1 in some different color, if you want this h1 in different color, so you can, what you can do here is you can give it a unique id. Okay, you can give it a unique id and save it. Okay, and here you can give it as hash brown. Brown is what? Brown is the name of id. You can give it any color or any format. Okay, color, I would like to give it red color. Save and refresh. Okay, I hope this is clear. If you are confused here students, अगर आप इसमें confuse हो रहे हो कि id का नाम brown दिया है and यहाँ पे hash लिखा है, what is this, so you can check the playlist. I have already discussed all these things in detail. This is what this is. We have discussed CSS id selector and CSS class selector. Similarly, for if I write h2 here, background color example. Okay, and close this h2 tag, save, and when you refresh this, it will automatically capture this property. And now again, if you want to give h2 a unique color, for this you can give it a unique id, or you can use class attribute over here, class selector over here. Okay, so for class you can write it as second. For second I'm writing sec only. Okay, and for this you can use dot sec and give it some different colors like color green, and save your program, refresh this, so it will automatically change its color to green. Okay, now students, you can see here, take the example, this first example and the third example. Here you can see background color is same, but the font color is different. Why? Because we have used h1 over here. Okay, and in h1 we have given background color gray, and Brown is a part of H1. We have given it a unique color font, sorry, text color only. Now if you want to change its background color, so you can do it very easily. So write background color and you can give it 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have already written 6 colors, 6 digits. So you can see this is in something like red color. Okay, so for RGB, if I want to change its color, save and refresh, so you can see the difference now. Okay, similarly for statement number 2 and statement number 4, we have same background colors because we have given H2 background color this. Okay, and class sec is what? It is a part of H2, so it will automatically capture its background color. Now students, if you want, you can change its background color too. Okay, so for this you can give it background color, let's say gray. Save and refresh, so you can see the difference now. Okay, so I hope everything is clear till now. And in this video lecture, we have discussed what? We have discussed only one type, that is background color. Okay, and from next lecture we will discuss background image, that how to use background image on these statements. If in ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स अगर आप लोग बैकग्राउंड कलर की जगह एक बैकग्राउंड इमेज यूज करना चाहते हो, सो यू कैन यूज these properties. So we will discuss everything in detail in next video. So keep watching this series. This is very important. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching this.